During our review of the thermal footage from the cafe, we noticed the FLIR camera captured this heat anomaly. We cannot explain this as it does not show up in any other footage. This was captured in the same area that we saw several shadows with our own eyes. This is another anomaly that we cannot explain. It was captured on one of our static cameras as we were trying to recreate and debunk the door swinging on its own. It appears in the kitchen window of the cafe and was not found on any other footage.